feeling like fuck cops. Let them get the buckshot, dollar bill, I'ma show you where the buck stop. Hit them with the kung pao, I be going nuts now. Just to get the rum round, shorties won't fuck now. Baby, I'm back again, ain't nobody iller. Beating on my chest like a fucking gorilla. Grew up on a Tribe Called Quest and J Dilla, but the Mac taught me how to swing donuts for real. I'm just a product of my motherfucking environment. So growing up, all I wanted was a crew gone wild. Now the crew gone wild, I spit a couple freestyles, turn my life around. Gave these cats FIFA, thought they want bite me now, but what's surprising about it? Not a motherfucking thing, I guess. That's why I gotta do mine. I put in all of this time. The first sun turned water to wine. Not lying, boy, I'm not even trying to pop by off the Spanish going out of his mind. These cats chicken and they about to get fried. Sitting in the cloud in the sky, looking like a fucking crash course on how to get fly. On the Bay Bridge, headed to the rowdiest side, where the Bay says don't be sniffing powdery lines. Just smoke rock cocaine straight from Ronald Reagan, but we still know every song off of Ronald Dragon. What up? I'm a fucking big boy, all I do is make noise, motherfucker, what up? Had the sauce day one, I ain't talking A1, lil' mama, what's up? We was chewing on pills, going Stewie in the hills, motherfucker, what up? Now I'm all around the map with the bang on my back. Look, I just bought a Glock just to shoot at the cops. Pop, 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 turn a pig to a fucking pork chop. What's next? Ain't playing with these cats no more. I get the murder in the beat, it's what the casket for. I got a feeling in my gut that the cash is close. I hear them switching up they tune, trying to match the note. And the snakes out there so the grass can mow. I ain't tripping, that's exactly what I'm asking for. I told them go ahead and bank on me. Rappers something that they gassed up, really got their tank on E. If you feeling brave, gon' play about me. Sweet as sugar iced tea, what it ain't gon' be, okay? Headed back to the mission, sliding on the bridge, pumping back to my mission. All we ever wanted was some slap in the whip, 500 on the car and a rack in the system. I'm actually different, the facts in the printer. Back to the wall till my ass got splinters, dawg. Don't pass me a swisher, if it ain't a back, it ain't even all that. On the Bay Bridge, headed to the rowdiest side, where the Bay says don't be sniffing powdery lines. I smoke rock cocaine straight from Ronald Reagan, but we still know every song off of Ronald Dragon. What up? I'm a fucking big boy, all I do is make noise, motherfucker, what up? Had the sauce day one, I ain't talking A1, lil' mama, what's up? We was chewing on pills, going Stewie in the hills, motherfucker, what up? Now I'm all around the map with the bang on my back. With that.
I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more.
Yo, we get it cooking in that lab like an alchemist. About to drop it heavy on your head, are you down for this? Take me back to paradise, a place with all my problems, them are paralyzed. I came up grinding, pushing out my sound for this. If you're representing for yourself, then make it known. Surrounded by these strangers, but my vibe is so alone. I bet we get this stuck up in your dorm. By the time you make it home, call my phone, become known to set the tone.
I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more.
Yeah, yo, listen, gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out and don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel that kick.
feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more.
Yeah, yo, listen, gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out man, don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel like kick Sam Smith. If you speak my language, then you might understand this. Gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out man, don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel like kick Sam Smith. If you speak my language, then you
like I'm
might
living in
understand
a rave.
this.
My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speed car, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more.
I just made $3 million, I'm being honest. Check my bank, I see the comments like NBA, I've been ballin'. I'm about to put an AP on my wrist. Did everything on my bucket list. Look in the mirror, I'm one of a kind. Nobody ever gonna do it like this, yeah. In Miami, it's summertime, but I still feel like I'm the coldest. Crib looking like the White House, got me feeling like I'm the POTUS. Emirates to the Middle East, like 15 hours, I'm zoning. On my way to the top now, so I gotta put them on notice. I remember when I had they back, but never got nothing back for it. If I want it, I'ma go get it. I'm not the type to go ask for it. I don't care about no accolades, cause that to me is just not important. I be trying to just feed my fam, everything else I've been ignoring, yeah. Better than I was before. I don't need everyone all in my personal life. I'm trying to live on the low, they all do the most. Post on the gram every day, looking to be validated. Worry about comments and likes, but that ain't my type, cause I be winning on a daily. And I be ready for battle, it don't really matter who coming for me, cause I've been immaculate. Nobody try me, they can't deny me. I got the heat like I'm Pat Riley. Who made it be? You know that it's me. 100 degrees, I do it with ease. My girl foreign, my car foreign. I'm overseas like I'm world touring, yeah. I'm moving fast like a Venador. Got big dreams like I'm 7'4". They ain't never let me in the spot, so I had to go and kick down the door. They be wishing they could hold me back, but I never failed. Got a top score, I'm too focused on chasing dreams. I reach some, I got a lot more, ayy. All I be seeing is wannabes. You ain't a friend of me, now you a son of me. There's a whole lot of you, there's only one of me. I've been on top of the game, I did it again. I'm never afraid, I'm going to win. They not in my lane, they all be the same. I'm chasing the millions, they chasing the fame, yeah. I just made $3 million, I'm being honest. Check my bank, I see the comments like NBA, I've been ballin'. I'm about to put an AP on my wrist. Did everything on my bucket list.